to my Crochet Basics playlist. This is where I'm going over all kinds of different crochet basics that are necessary in order to learn how to crochet efficiently. If you've watched my other tutorials, you have seen the foundation chain and slip knot and my single crochet. In this next one, I will be showing you how to do a double crochet. It is quite an easy stitch and it's quite common as well. The nice thing about double crochet is that it works up a lot faster. So today, much like how I did in my last video, I will be doing 10 and then 12. You'll see how there's quite a difference in the size then. So I definitely recommend having a hook that will fit with your yarn. Please go back and watch my introduction video and the first video of this series in order to understand what kind of hook you should get. I'm going to be using my Red Heart Super Saver, this is a basic tan yarn. To begin, what you will do is you will do a slip knot and your foundation chain. Again, we went over the slip knot and foundation chain in the first video. Please, if you need a slowed down version, head on over there and watch that. For our double crochet, we will plan to do 10 stitches. In order to do that, we will need to crochet 10 plus 2. I'll explain that plus 2 at the end. So we'll create that foundation chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now we will add 2. 1, 2. The reason we are adding 2 is so that we can essentially have our first stitch start. Similar to our single crochet, we skipped that first stitch and we worked right into that second one. The difference for this is we will actually be working into the 4th stitch. So we will skip the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and work into the 4th stitch right here. In order to do our double crochet, we're going to need to yarn over. Yarning over is simple. You just take your hook, twist it on over, and we will insert into the 4th stitch, yarn over, and pull through. You'll see 3 loops of yarn, 1, 2, 3. Here we will yarn over and pull through 2. There will be 2 on your hook. Then you will yarn over and pull through 2. And that is essentially your second double crochet. That chain in the beginning will act as your first. There will be some patterns that you'll read or learn that possibly don't count that as their first stitch. Always be sure to read all of the information in any pattern you're trying to work on. So again, we will start with our double crochet again. If you look from the top, we are looking for essentially that little teardrop. So we will be working right into here. You will yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. So you have 3, yarn over and pull through 2 till you have 2, and then yarn over once more and pull through 2. Again, that is a yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through till you have 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I will show you that once more. Yarn over and insert your hook, yarn over, pull through till you have 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 2, you have 1, 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Like the single crochet, working in that foundation chain can be a little bit tricky. Just be sure to take your time and make sure you count. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whoops, oh my goodness, and 10. And then I like to pull this loop nice and big just so I do not unravel this and lose my spot. From here, I will show you how to count so you can get an accurate number of your stitches. There are two different ways to count. You can count by the post or you can count from the top. For the post, it is super easy. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 right here. There we have our 10 double crochet. Again, some patterns will read this chain 3 as a stitch, some may not. The second way that you can count your work is from counting on the top. Again, we are looking for that teardrop type shape. So if you are looking from the top, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is a little bit weird. It's a little bit on an angle. There's 10. From there, we can start our second row. In order to do your second row, you will need to begin chaining. You will chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we will turn our work. Now, since that chain 3 counts as our first stitch, we will skip working in this first stitch. We will go right into the second. We will do the same thing, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through until you have 3 loops of yarn. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And to the next one, you will do yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through till you have 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 2 till you have 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Once more, it's yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you will continue that until you get to the very end. And again, you should have 10 stitches. If you do not have 10, perfectly fine. If you're just trying to learn the stitch, go for it and learn that stitch. Now that I am at the very end, I have done 9. I have not done my 10th yet. That is because we need to work into this chain 3. What we will do is you will still do the same thing. You will just work into the top of that chain 3. So same concept, yarn over, you will insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and pull that nice and tight. So you will continue to do that back and forth until you are satisfied with your length. Again, you will always start with chain 3 and then do all of your double crochets to the end. And then you will chain 3, turn, and do it all the way back. You just continue that process over and over. I'm going to do 12 rows so I can show you what that looks like. All right, here I have completed my 12 rows of 10 double crochet. What I'll do is I will cut my end and pull the loop through. So here you'll be able to see what I'm talking about when I say that double crochet is a much taller stitch in comparison to single crochet. Here is my single crochet. Now, this is the exact same number of rows. This is 12 single crochet, and this here is 12 double crochet. That is why double crochet is quite a common stitch, because it's able to be worked up a lot faster and use a lot less yarn in comparison to single crochet. So one thing you'll see is you'll kind of see that there's a little bit larger of holes on the edges. That is in particular because of the 3 chains. For me, I personally will sometimes prefer to do 2 chains instead of 3 to kind of make it a little bit tighter and a little less gappy. But for a beginner, it really does not matter. You can do 2, you can do 3, whatever really works for you. Just don't do more than that, and you should not do less than that. I really hope you enjoyed this video on creating double crochet. Now that I have gone over slip knot and foundation chain, single crochet, and now double crochet, the next thing I'll be doing is half double crochet. So it's essentially almost like a mix of the two, a single crochet and a double crochet. It's also another fun stitch that you can actually play around with a little bit more uniquely. And in that one, I will show you how to do a half double crochet working in back loops or front loops. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I would love to create any videos that may be helpful to you. Don't forget to stay crafty and stay adventurous. Goodbye.